I got it. I got the fake freckles, so let's put it on my face. I have very minor freckles and I've always wanted to try this. How does this work? Oh, like this. Give it a shot, shall we? I'm nervous. How does this... Wait. Stop. Stop right now. I'm gonna put a bunch on. Let's see. No way. They look so natural. Excuse me? I don't know how many I want to put. Oh my god. Wait, I love this. They look very cartoony right now, and that's okay because I'm going to blend them, but I'm just placing them everywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're just gonna... This is insane. Oh my god, I'm actually in love with this. Stop! I'm obsessed. Did I do good on the placements? I freaking love this. This is an absolute win, and I've linked it down below if you want to get yours.